Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about locking methods, part of database management system course. Locking is a technique that is used in a database to control concurrent access to shared data. Locks allow a user or process to lock a particular row or table while they are accessing or modifying it, preventing other users or processes from accessing the same data at the same time. There are several types of locks that can be used in a database. A shared lock allows multiple users or processors to read the data but prevents them from modifying the data until the lock is released. An exclusive lock allows a single user or process to modify the data but prevents any other users or processes from accessing the data until the lock is released. An intention lock is a type of lock that is used to indicate the intention of a user or process to lock a particular row or table in the future. There are several types of intention locks, including shared intention locks and exclusive intention locks. An update lock is a type of lock that is used to indicate that a user or process is updating a row or table, and that the row or table should not be modified by other users or processes until the update is complete. It is important to carefully consider the type of locks that are appropriate for a particular database and application to ensure that the data is accessed and modified consistently and reliably. Locks can impact the performance and scalability of a database, so it is important to use them wisely and to release them as soon as possible. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.